Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to use the Strikethrough shortcut in Excel. First, we'll show you the shortcuts for the web and desktop versions in Windows. Then we'll show you the shortcut for the desktop version on Macs. And finally, our bonus tip will show you how to gain permanent access to a Strikethrough button. If you're using the desktop version of Excel on a Windows device, you might be unable to see the Strikethrough button in the home ribbon. If you want to use a keyboard shortcut, double-click into the cell, and highlight the word you want to strike through. Then press Ctrl and 5. Press Ctrl and 5 again to remove the strikethrough. You can also single-click the cell, and press Ctrl and 5 to strike through everything. If you want to enable the strikethrough button, head up to File. Then go down to Options, or More, then Options. In Options, head to Customize Ribbon in the left menu. Now head across and select Home from the main tabs. Then go down and click New Group. Next, head up and right-click the new group. Then select Rename from the pop-up. Now enter a name in the dialog box. We're calling ours Strike. When you're done, hit OK. Once you've renamed the group, select it in the right column, then click the up arrow on the right side to move it up the list. Place it next to the font group. Now head over and click the select box under Choose Commands, and select Commands not in the ribbon. Scroll down and look for Strikethrough. Click to select it, then hit the Add button. Finally, hit OK. You should now find the Strikethrough button next to the fonts in the Home tab. If you're using the web version of Excel on Windows, the shortcut will depend on the browser. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl and 5. Or press Ctrl, Alt, and 5 if you're using FireFox. If you're using the desktop version of Excel on a Mac device, you can add a strikethrough to text by pressing Command, Shift, and X on your keyboard. If you want to enable the strikethrough button, head up and click Excel in the top left. Then select Preferences from the drop-down. In Preferences, select Ribbon and Toolbar. Now head down and select Home, then continue down and click the plus icon. Select New Group from the drop-down. With the new group selected, click the three dots next to the minus button, and select Rename. Give the group a name, such as Strike or Strikethrough. When you're done, hit Save. Next, click and drag the new group up the list, and drop it below Home. Now head across and click the select box under Choose Commands, and select Commands not in the ribbon. Scroll down the list of commands until you reach Strikethrough. Click to select the Strikethrough command, then hit the right arrow button to add it to the new group. Finally, hit Save. You should now be able to access the Strikethrough button in the top left of the Home ribbon. Unfortunately, shortcuts don't work on the web version on Macs. But there's an interesting workaround if you need permanent access to a strikethrough button on your workbook. To try this, open an Excel worksheet in the web version. Then head up to Automate in the top menu. Here, head left and select New Script, and the script editor will appear on the right side of the window. Next, head to the video description and copy the Office script. Once copied, head back to Excel, and paste the code into the script editor. Now let's rename the script by clicking the name and changing it to whatever you like. When you're done, hit Save Script. To add the button, click the three dots, and select Add in Workbook from the drop-down. With the button in place, let's customize it by right-clicking and selecting Edit Text. Then type AB, and select the text. Now head to the Home tab, and click the Strikethrough button. Finally, resize the button. To avoid any issues running the script, refresh the browser. Once the page has reloaded, select some text, then hit the custom strike-through button, which you'll be able to access regardless of which tab you're currently viewing. The script may run slowly at first, and become quicker. However, the custom button will always be slower than using the standard strike-through button. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.